Welcome back. In this video, we will focus on integrating some key features of the Zoom Team Chat REST APIs into the sample Task Manager app, Zoom app. We'll dive into how you can manage team chat messages, including sending, receiving messages in Zoom Team Chat channels. We'll also touch on other important features like Team Chat real-time event notifications via webhook. We'll cover how to send a direct message using Team Chat REST APIs, giving you a practical look at how to enhance your app's communication capabilities within Zoom Workplace ecosystem. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do is in our lib folder, we want to go ahead and create a Team Chat TypeScript file. So this file will hold all of our server action functions. The first function we want to go ahead and add is a function to handle making an API request to get all the user context. The next function we want to go ahead and add is a function to get all the channels that this user is in. And the next thing we want to do is we want to add some interfaces here. And what these interfaces are basically used for is to make the code more modular and flexible for when we send direct messages. And the last function we want to do is add our function, which will allow us to send direct messages to users. And we are just using those interfaces here, so that this function is more clean. All right, with that, so we have all the functions we need for our server actions. We're going to go ahead and move on, and we're going to create our page to handle making that API request to get the user context and also get all the channels the user is currently in. So we'll go ahead and create us a page. And this page will simply handle just, we see that we're making that request to get the user context. If there's a new contact returned, we want to go ahead and upload that contact to the database. And we do the same thing here where we're just getting the user channels and we're just simply printing out the data that's returned. That setup, we just need to update our add activity component and edit task component. So the first thing you want to do is we want to go ahead and add our imports. So we're just going to import our send Zoom instant message function and our send instant message payload. And we only need to update our submit handler here. So we'll just call those functions when we have on submit of the data. So I'll go ahead. So we can see here, we're just making a call and formatting the data that's submitted. And sending that off. All right, and the next thing we want to do, we want to make the same changes in our edit task component. So we want to add those same imports here, and we want to make the same update to our submit handler here. All right, and with that, we're ready to test. So we're currently already logged in as the user, and we're logged into the Zoom client. And currently right now we're on the Zoom chatbot. So before all the functionality we add was related to Zoom Team Chatbot, and now we want to actually allow our app to communicate with users through direct message. So we'll go ahead and test out the behavior we just added, and we added functionality to the add activity as well as the edit task. So we'll first test out the edit task. So let's go to call client for follow-up, and we are going to let's go ahead and add an assignee. So anytime we add an assignee, they will receive a message from this user that they have been assigned a task. So we see that we just added Brentley. We'll hit submit. And if we come over and we go up to our user contact, Brentley, we see that Brentley was just assigned a task called client follow-up, and there is a card attached as well. So Brentley is able to click on this card and view for more details. All right, so that's it for integration with Zoom Team Chat. Now let's explore, next up we'll explore integrating Zoom webhooks. All right, that's it for now. Until next time, happy coding.